ability of our hand to be controlled and to do what we need to do and be able to do that. So that's what else. Problem solving, it's a very basic activity of human mind, and if a problem is complex, you need to how can I say, divide the problem for smaller elements, smaller pieces, and it's done. I heard that. So it started in Hungary very slowly. We were behind the Iron Curtain, and it takes about 3 years to cross the borders. And after that, in 2-3 years, it became a real worldwide craze. And there are two kinds of solutions. One kind of solution, a method or a written series. So for me, the cube represents what freedom means. Freedom means is it's never endless. So there does not exist endless freedom. All the time there are limitations of freedom, but the important thing is to find the real potentials of the freedom, and which is let you do what is necessary to achieve your goal. So that, and everything is there, so it's depend only you. Because I think my task was not of this. I let it to other people. I need the mechanism was a very special task. So that I think that was what I found the greatest challenge, to find a solution for a seemingly impossible task.
You're probably right.
Probably one of the main key of the cube is the contradiction between complexity and simplicity.
We enjoy it. Yeah, you have a little bit of a dark sense. I do have a dark sense.
If we find a challenge and find something difficult and find a solution, is much more enjoyable than to find something that is trivial.
It's like some people would be like, no problem. Like if Adam were here, he'd be like, yeah, no problem, I'll do it.
Millions of people are sharing this feeling, and that's a good thing, because you know, there are so many things that is, how can I say, it's not optimal all around the world. And
csak emlékeztető, hogy a harmadik pontot tisztelmeik volna. Időmért nekem